On October 25 at AUC, the gates open wide for the Graduate Studies Open House, a one-day event connecting future scholars with their academic dreams. From 10 a.m. to 4 p.m., AUC invited ambitious minds to explore numerous master's and PhD programs across various disciplines, including engineering, humanities, science, management, and education. It offered opportunity to interact directly with faculty, meet with admission representatives, and learn about scholarships and funding. Attendees joined program-specific information sessions led by distinguished professors. Whether passionate about policy and public affairs, or driven by scientific discoveries, all those teaching and researching fields were present. Graduate admissions advisors also walked every attendee through admission requirements, including application processes, English proficiency criteria, and how to prepare a strong statement of purpose. In a rapidly changing world, graduate education is a key to unlocking new opportunities, whether professionally, intellectually, and socially. Whether exploring a master's or PhD, AUC's Graduate Studies Open House offered a chance to explore, inquire, and decide. This was Amina Omar, AUCTV, Cairo.